Everyone, welcome to my channel Study Exam. In today's video, we will learn about how to make a claim for marine insurance policy. So let's see the procedure for filing claim of marine insurance policy. For filing claim of marine insurance policy, first step is intimation of law. Intimation of law. In this, exporter have to intimate the nearest office of insurance company for filing claim of marine insurance policy. That is, exporter have to give application to insurance company regarding the detail of policy and informing about the accident. Second step is appointment of surveyor. After receiving the intimation, the insurance company appoint a surveyor to determine the cause and extent of loss. Third step is lending remark. The insured should obtain lending remark from the Port Trust Authority. Lending remark is a proof of dispatch of goods. Basically, lending remark includes receipt. Fourth one is submission of claim. The insured should submit the following documents to finalize the claim: original policy, original invoice, and packing list. Fourth, release of payment. After assessment of the claim, insurance company releases the payment to the exporter. So this is the procedure for filing or making claim for marine insurance policy. You can also join us on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and also please click the bell icon for more updates. And for any inquiry, send us mail on studyexam01@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.